All right, so now we're going to go to see that everything is up to standards when it comes to the article that we have written. So, here in our copywriting file, Excel sheet, we have other prompts. So we're gonna grab the give me a list of all the facts you reference in this article and provide citations. So we're going to ask Claude to give us just proof of where it got all its different information because AI still hallucinates right now, so we don't want to let them hallucinate. Okay, this price listing is good from the documents that are uploaded in Claude from us. So great. Business information. This is from what is uploaded here that I have uploaded. All great. On general claims. Mm, okay, this one says that it needs verification, but Reiki mainly does not. It's not covered by insurance. Um, it does, yes. HSA and FSA are types of insurance here in the United States, and it does not cover it. Um, these two needs verification, but they should be okay. When it's no citations, habla probably market several source or source activity around these claims. But if you want to add citations, you need to verify. For insurance covered claims, IRS publication, traceability, or senior practitioner. You want me to search and find these sources for you? You can say yes. Okay, now it's giving you specific citations, which is good. Okay, this is a specific citation, and you can actually click and go read it. Right, and see where is this from. Perfect. So we can control F right here and say Reiki. No, but complementary, no. Wellness, no. So I don't know what is Claude talking about. So after we did this, what we could do is actually go again and ask Claude check a second time. Okay, so we're gonna say check a second time just to make sure. Mm, this is a good link. And we're gonna talk about links in a moment. how to find the links to put them in the document for then uploading the content, but that's a good link. This one is actually a good link. Um, mm, mm, mm. The RS is also a good link, so we're gonna leave those open. So it's good that has been using those, so then we can use them for the next step. All right, so let's see here what it says. The second time that it's checking. Okay, so you see it is actually telling you. Okay. Yes, we're gonna say yes. Yes. Would you like me to update the Word document with these corrections? Yes. Because it does have good corrections here that is telling, just to like soften certain things. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, perfect. All right, that is good enough. So we're going to now open the document again. And we're going to make sure that it does have everything we need. So you remember, right? We're going to do basically the same thing. We're gonna grab this. We're gonna come here and paste it. And just replace this. And we're gonna go again, and then we're going to delete this. And we're gonna move this part here. So we answer the question right away. This is very important. And now we're gonna grab this and we are going to open a tool called AI Detector called Zero GPT. This is gonna tell us how much is this article written by AI, which is written by AI. So we'll see how much AI has been able to mimic human writing, but the percentage has to be between 30%, 54. So this needs to be not 54, it needs to be around 30. So what we're going to do is give it a gain to Claude and go to the copywriting prompt sheet. And here in notes, you're gonna see revise this, uh, rewrite this to include more human experience. Maybe a little bit, make more human, 3-year level comprehension, a max 200 words, and keep the first paragraph the same. Perfect. And let me see if I can update this note. Okay, paragraph same. Perfect. All right, I will let it do its thing. Ah, no, I didn't want to cross that. Okay. We can close that. All right. Mm, mm. Perfect. So let's open it up again and let's see if it gives us now a better percentage. So we're gonna go here and paste it. Detect. Hopefully we don't have to do it again because if not, yeah, 10%. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we are going to now go to Claude again. Oh no, my computer lagged. The Zero GPT is actually very heavy. This website is very heavy, so it may lag your computer too. Oh no. Mm. No, no. It lagged my computer. God, let's see. All right, perfect. So it gives us 10%, right? So we're going to go back to our sheet where it's ready to use. We're gonna delete that and then paste it. Now we want to make sure, so we want to ask Claude. Let's see if we can go back. Oh, maybe not. But we can play the paste the article and ask, how many words does this article have? Okay, so it's telling me my usage. Um, okay, perfect. All right. So this is happening because we are using Opus instead of Sonic, which uses more credits. So I think what we're going to have to do is do everything on Sonic and then just for the writing part, when writing the article, use Opus. But that's why this is happening. So right now we're gonna go here and then we can literally open a new chat and then grab it again, and now it's in Sonnet, so we're gonna just leave it there because when we're asking like simple questions, we don't like need like a ton of power as when we are writing an article. So how many words is this article? Okay, it's 1,150 words. So we need 2,000 words. So I don't know why it did that. So we want more words. So we're gonna ask, okay, so we're gonna go to this word about content writer and say, I need this article to be 2,000 words, keeping the experiences, human tone, first phrase the same facts, etc. And we can also use Sonnet or Opus, just because this is an example, we're going to just use Sonics because if not, it's going to charge me more. But we're just gonna use Sonic for now. Mm, and basically go over it again, making sure we are fulfilling the thing. Um, and we're gonna have to do the AI detector again. I'm glad this is happening in the example, so you can have a real idea of how this goes. Right. So still writing. Okay, perfect. Tell us how many words is this? All right, perfect. So it's 2050 and we already grabbed it and we're gonna come back to uh AI detector. I'm gonna see, and it's probably gonna be more now, but it's 14%. It's pretty good. All right, so we're going to come back to our page again and replace it. Amazing. So right now it's 8 pages, and before it was how many? Four. Yeah, because it was 1,050, now it's 2,000. Amazing. So this is our article ready to be well, we're gonna take this off. Um this is your article ready for the next part of the process. which will be the links and the meta tags, and then we're going to have to do the review of the article, which is basically just reading the article, making sure that everything is correct. But this is the writing part of making sure that it's up to standards for Google, that we have some of the right information, the citations, and it passes the AI detector. These are the things that we have done in this training lesson, and we're gonna go to the next one right now.